Angikone ukira weregerire Ngai agucokeria mahoya. Ndauga ndagaikare. Oguo niguo ndaiga. Tupigie Bwana Yesu makofi mazuri. I can see our Bishop Ben in the house. Let us appreciate our spiritual father. Tupigie makofi mazuri. We have our Reverend Joy Benson. Let us appreciate her. Tuko na man to watch, Pastor Frank Boya. Let us appreciate him in a better way. We have our international patron, Mr. Getonga. Let us appreciate him in a better way. Our chairman na Mama Ken, tuwapigia makofi mazuri. Our development chairman, tumpigia makofi mazuri. Naomi Frank, tumpigia makofi mazuri. Na pia wewe ujipigia makofi mazuri.